वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावधानी भलायकेन. So today I'm going to show you all banana brownie, and for that you need, it's trending and it is saying only banana, egg and paneer, but you need other things also. So 2 eggs, and if you are taking the green bananas then it will be 3, but if you are taking this small bananas then it is 6 bananas you need, because they are smaller in size. Right banana, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we need paneer. So I have taken around 100 gram, that is a homemade paneer. Okay. Then we need half cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of normal sugar, or you can take brown sugar or you can take honey. So I am taking normal sugar powder. Then I'll be adding to my brownie this many pieces of chocolate, dark brown, and a small piece of butter. So this is like around a small piece, like 2 tablespoons you can say. Now we will melt this on double boiler. So we have to mash this banana. So we have to mash this all nicely. So I am using this and I mashed it. You can use whichever method you want. Now we will add paneer. So you can get ready-made also. It's up to you. 2 eggs. Mix this all. Now we'll add our cocoa powder, sugar first, mix well, okay. So mix this nicely. I have not yet added baking powder. Pinch of salt, always it's good. Now let's add into our melted chocolate. It's hot, that's why I'm adding this to this. Now if you want to add nuts, it's up to you, but as this is banana paneer brownie, so I am not adding any nuts to this. Let's mix this all together with our chocolate and butter, and now we will add our baking powder, that is 1 teaspoon. Now mix this and then bake it for 180 degrees, and on 180 degrees preheat your oven 10 minutes before, and then bake this for 30 minutes. So I have greased my baking tray. you are brownie lover, you will love this. My husband and our daughter loves any form of brownies, chocolate. Tap it nicely. And it's done. So now it's going to the oven 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Here it's gone in the oven. I will show you the final result later. Today is Valentine and here is a surprise for my husband. So it's done. So I left it like that only. So it cooled down. And now we will take out. Nice, yum. That's very yum. So now to make it little bit decorative, we will do something. So I am using strawberries. So I have some strawberries. Okay, I have got it from Mapsa yesterday, and it's from Mahabaleshwar. They are very big, expensive though, but yes. This packet was for 350 rupees. So I've tasted also, it's very nice. So now I will use this to decorate this brownie, banana paneer brownie. So here is my simple, I have not added anything else, just simple strawberries because we love strawberries. And so now I will show you all how it will be in cutting. So first we'll I'll call him and give him surprise. So now let's cut and check this. So here it is. So I will give him now and he will tell you how it is.
Very tasty. Yummy.
So
Very tasty. Must try.
Must try. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Valentine or any other occasion where you want to give someone like this. Quick, easy, few ingredients. And no flour, no atta, no maida. So that is also a best part for some who don't like atta and who don't like maida. Thank you.